Hello, today we will guide you through how to design a poster in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. Once it launches, you'll be ready to build your poster from a fresh workspace. Starting in a clean file is helpful because it gives you full control over the layout and appearance right from the beginning. When PowerPoint opens, click on Blank Presentation. This creates a new slide where you can begin designing. Think of this slide as your poster canvas. From here, you'll set the visual style first, then add the text elements that bring your design together. Next, go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This section contains tools that control the overall look and feel of your slide. It's a good place to begin because the background you choose will influence the mood and readability of the poster. From the Design area, select a sample background if you see one that fits the style you want. This is the quickest way to apply a ready-made visual theme. If you already know the kind of look you're aiming for, choosing a sample background can save time and give your poster a polished starting point. If you want more control, click on Format Background instead. This opens additional options so you can customize the slide background more precisely. This is useful if the preset backgrounds don't match your needs or if you want a simpler, cleaner design. In the panel that appears on the right, select a sample fill. This allows you to apply a fill style to the background. As you choose, keep readability in mind. A background should support your content, not overpower it, so it's usually best to pick something that makes text easy to see. Once the background is set, it's time to add text. Click on Insert at the top of the screen. This tab gives you access to elements you can place onto the poster, including text boxes. Now click on Text Box. This tool lets you place text exactly where you want it on the poster, which is especially useful for titles, event details, headings, or short descriptions. After selecting the text box, click on the form or slide area to add text. You can then begin typing your poster content directly onto the page. Try placing your main message clearly and prominently so it stands out right away. Finally, follow the on-screen design procedure to continue creating your poster. As you work, adjust the layout, text placement, and visual balance so everything feels organized and easy to read. With these tools, you can quickly turn a blank presentation into a simple, effective poster in PowerPoint.